Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. Back with another Walmart clearance sale find. Let me adjust the camera and we'll get to it. Alright guys, here's my Walmart find. Spork multi-tool. Got that for 75 cents. Outdoor products, let me see, it's Horizon Day Pack 24 liter was $4. Equip Color one person travel hammock was 15. The Ozark Trail 36 can ice chest here was $13. And the UST Be Ready kit 3-day 3-person supply kit was $13 also. Alright guys, I also wanted to see what UST considers a 3-day survival kit for 3 people. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So everything's all sealed up in different little compartments. In this one you get, this is the lighting, which is 3 chem lights, and the little crank flashlight. That's your lighting for 3 days. Survival tools is 30 feet of paracord, 5-in-1 tool, multi-blade tool, and 3 survival towelettes. So towelettes as tools, I don't know. Paracord, can't go wrong with paracord. It's got a whistle, a ferro rod, compass, and a little container and a mirror, signaling mirror. Let's check out the multi-tool here. Which is not bad. What else we got here? Shelter. It says 3 clear emergency ponchos, 3 silver reflective blankets, and 1 orange emergency tent. Bare minimum. first aid, 10 adhesive bandage strips, 2 knuckle bandages, butterfly wound closures, 2 of them, 2 conforming stretch gauze, 2 examine gloves, 4 gauze pads, 6 safety pin, 1 tape, ½ inch of 10 yards, tweezers, reusable poly bag, first aid, learn and live card, and hand sanitizer. Not a bad boo-boo kit. And fire starting, with all the cool fire starting stuff, they give you a box of matches. "12 emergency drinking water pouches. They all contain 4.2 fluid ounces. And nutrition, 4 emergency food ration packages. They each last, they have a 5-year shelf life. Each package contains 6 400-calorie food bars, a total of 2,400 calories. These things are heavy too. Let's see what else we got in here. This gives you a brief description on everything in the kit. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.